Right. Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me? Okay. I wanted to give you one information. For your batch, no class tomorrow. I'm traveling back to Hyderabad. Next class is on Thursday at 9:30 a.m. as usual. Is point clear? Okay. Did you complete modifiers chapter videos? Did you learn this topic? Modifiers. Babu, I'm asking question. Can you respond? Did you complete modifiers? Okay. Did you complete class object instance? Variables, types of variables? A class object instance already completed in data types, na? Variables chapter, all these 18 points completed. Variables chapter, all these 18 points, 4 videos or 5 videos are there, na? All videos completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos are there. All these 5 videos completed or not? Okay. Tomorrow, today and tomorrow, and until completed, you start following them. Start, finish it. Okay. Work on all these videos. All these 5 videos complete. Is it clear? Tomorrow is holiday. Try to complete. I hope first video completed. Try to learn second video, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. So until completed, you continue all the videos. Is it clear? Yeah. Today we will complete console class, and also we'll try to enter into other topics. Okay. And system properties is one small topic is that also we'll try to complete. And at end, we'll try to develop complete project. Is it clear? So after reading runtime values chapter, we need to go for modifiers. I hope you completed already. Just revision on object class instance. This also already completed. That is a data type chapter last topic. And variables you learn first video you learn, and remaining videos also you try to complete. Then after reading runtime values chapter, directly I'll go to types of methods. Okay. Next, Saturday, Sunday, you don't have class for your batch. I'm not taking Saturday, Sunday, I'm not taking class for you. Okay, I'm taking your seniors batch workshop. Okay, for your senior batch, I'm giving workshop. This Thursday, Friday I will take class, and Saturday, Sunday also. By Sunday, you must complete. By Sunday, you must complete all videos of variables and methods. Monday directly I teach you. So today we'll complete reading runtime values chapter and project based on reading runtime values. Next after next variable chapter videos you have to complete tomorrow, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 3 days, and Friday, Sunday also. Okay. Is it clear my point? So there are totally 3 notice points are there. Number 1 for you. Hey, 1 minute. For you, no class tomorrow. Next class is on Thursday. Point number 1 understood? Second point, Saturday, Sunday also no class for you. Okay, this weekend I'm taking long session exception handling for your seniors. For your seniors. So that's why for you no class. 9 a.m. onwards I'm starting class for them. Is it clear my point? Saturday, Sunday also no class for your batch. At 9:30. Okay. Thursday class will be at 9:30 a.m. as usual. Okay, now any doubts? Still any doubts? No class tomorrow. Tomorrow is what day? No, Wednesday. The dummy, dirty idiot center above. How you can be, this much dirty brain people? I don't know. Tomorrow what, sir? Thursday on what time, sir? Okay, if you are this much brainless fellows, how can you live above in this society? Next Saturday, Sunday, also no class for you. I am taking class long session for your seniors. Is it clear? Okay, na? For your seniors on exception handling, I'm taking time 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. This is not for you, okay? Not for you, it's for your seniors. If you are there in front of me, buddy, I would murder you, no doubt in that. Okay, this is how you people are growing up. ఓకే నేను ఏం చెప్తున్నాను ఏం చేస్తున్నారు ఓకే just to see how the people are asking me questions. Okay, are you catching my point? How the people are asking me questions, how much brainless fellows. See this. Yeah, it's not a problem for me, I can bear. Okay, but you'll face a lot of problems in career. Okay, you'll face a lot of problems in your career. Change your attitude. I'm not angry, just I'm trying to give you information. If you don't change your attitude, you definitely face a lot of problems in your future. What questions you wanted to ask, what questions you people are asking, what I am trying to tell, what you wanted to ask. Saturday, Sunday, I said. Then you are asking every weekend, this weekend. And, what do you mean by that? Hmm. I don't know, buddy. Please change your attitudes, okay? Otherwise, you'll face problems. Okay, don't show over talent, okay? Okay, if you are showing your over talent, okay, this is called over talent, okay? Too much talent, you will face problem, other people also will face problem. Okay, na? Yeah. So then next, for your juniors, I'm starting new core Java batch. CJ means core Java, okay? New core Java batch from Thursday. Which Thursday, na? Okay. February 25th. February 25th. This is Saturday at 11 a.m. Okay. It is both offline and online batch. Same time, I will teach classroom and also online. Is it clear? It's both offline and online, both. Okay, your juniors can come to offline, means they can sit in the classroom and they can listen directly in front of me. And online means no need to come to Hyderabad from their hometown, they can listen like you. If come to offline, lot of benefits will be there. If they can come to Hyderabad, lot of benefits. Direct interaction will be there. And there is an interaction with their other friends, and lab facilities will be there. Lot of other facilities will be there. Online means you alone, you have to work alone. Okay, right. So if possibility there offline, they can come offline, but need to take care of COVID measurements. I mean, COVID precautions and all you have to take to stay in hostel and all. So we are providing COVID, all measurements. I mean, we are taking precautions and everything. Hostels also taking precautions, but you should also be careful yourself. Okay, so this is the story. Yeah, so these are the 3 points. Hope you all understand. Did I say our class? Did I mention our class as offline class, Mr. Venkatesh? It is for juniors. Did I say for our batch? No, no. I'm telling your juniors. For our batch, there is no offline class. Yeah, if you pay money, you can join again. If you want to come to offline class for this batch, if you pay money again, you can come. Is it clear? If you want to rejoin to this batch, go and talk to admin. I mean, you need to pay rejoin fees and then you can join. For your batch till end, it is online only. Okay. Any more questions? Okay, Lipsa. Yeah, coronavirus cases are increasing day by day, obviously, right? Because there is no vaccine yet, not provided fully. Raj Patel, no class tomorrow. Today you have class. Don't go anywhere. Today you have class. Tomorrow I told you no class. Tomorrow, not today. Tomorrow. Today we have class as usual. I'm giving information because some people may miss in the middle, okay? Same duration. How much time taking for you? Same much time. How much duration you have? Same duration. Same syllabus I'll teach now. There is no difference. Okay, shall I enter into subject? Is it clear to all? Okay, next fourth important point. By Sunday, I mean by Monday, all you people must complete variables and methods chapters videos. Okay, I mean by Sunday, let's say. Monday, I will start JVM architecture. This is the fourth point. So don't waste your time tomorrow and Saturday, Sunday. Thursday, Friday, I will take class. I will teach you methods chapter. Okay, by Sunday, completed, you have to finish variables and methods chapter videos. Hope you understand. Okay, these are the 4 points for your batch notice information. Now, still, if you have any questions, please ask. If you don't have any questions, we'll enter it into subject. Fine, no questions. Good. And don't ask any questions, sir. If I ask, same fees, 2,500. Why I need to provide methods link? Already there in your YouTube file. Na? Go and check in YouTube file. No need to ask me every time. Link, link, link. Okay, all links are there in YouTube file. Go to my material Google Drive link and there you'll find it. Okay. Now let's enter it into subject. Okay, tell me, did I ask you to complete this project? Have you finished? Develop student college project by using scanner. Have you developed? Any of you still pending? Okay, did you develop this project? Should I develop or can I show you existing project? You want me to develop everything fresh or can I show you the existing project? So class student, student number, student name, course fee, email, mobile, gender, course completed. Okay, so these are the variables already you created, right? This is a buffer reader or command line arguments application. You have already created this class. There is no change. Then now only change in command line. Okay, first we develop command line, college command line. So what I need to do, college class, create student object, and then we created arcs of reading values from arcs of 0. Okay, arcs of 1, arcs of 2, arcs of 3, arcs of 4, arcs of 5, arcs of 6, arcs of 7. Now these 7 values, now we are reading from buffer reader. Arcs of 0 place what is coming? Buffer reader br equal to br dot readline. Read student number, buffer reader. Student name, buffer reader dot readline. Course, buffer reader dot readline. Fee, buffer reader dot br dot readline. Br dot readline, br dot readline. So only arcs of 0 place what is coming? Br dot readline with proper message. Now I want you develop the same program with scanner. Same class I am teaching offline, online, and is there any difference between them? You are asking, what should I do? Apurva. Offline means you are coming to classroom. Online means you are listening from your room. Okay. Both at a time I am taking. At a time means what? There is no difference in syllabus. There is no difference in faculty. There is no difference in explanation, right? Some students are there in front of me in the classroom. Some students are there in their hometown, listening from the class, listening from their room, right? Same person I am talking, same system I am choosing, okay? If you're there in front of me, I can see your face expressions. If this type of questions are asking, I can beat you like anything. Because you are online there in your home, I cannot beat you, okay? So if this type of stupid questions are asking, people are there in front of me, I can catch you and beat you like anything. That is only the difference. Only beating and scoldings are different. Remaining everything same. Hope now you understood. Okay. Other students, did you get clarity? Only scoldings wise different. Okay, remaining everything is same. You can see my expressions. Okay, I'm angry, I'm joking, or I'm sad. You can see me. In online, you cannot see. Only you can see my voice, right? Offline means you can see my face, and I can understand you. You can understand me. That is only a difference. What class I need to read? Scanner. Do I need any input stream radar class? Not required. IO exception? Not required. Okay. You have to contact admin, Baba. No, I don't know, Naveen. Contact admin. Okay, class college, main method. Tell me, in main method, do we need throws IO exception? Not required. Next, buffer reader BR equal to. In place of buffer reader, BR equal to new buffer reader of system.in. Okay, here what I require now, need scanner SCN equal to new scanner of system.in. Okay, and then next, now I need to create student object. Then same, then I need to read values, enter student values, enter student number, yes. Then tell me now, s1 dot snO equal to integer dot parse int of br dot readline. Tell me, do we need to parse? Do we need to parse? No, scanner object implicitly parse. So what need scanner? You no need to do scanning, right? I told you after next int method, any of the next methods, after any of the next methods, if you are planning to read text, you must call scn dot next line method 2 times, right? Remember or forget? Scn dot next line 2 times I should call. And s1 dot, what do you write now here? Scn dot read line place, what do you write? Next line. Okay, and then enter course. Okay, after next line, no need to call next line 2 times, right? Then directly scn dot read line place next line. Enter fee. Fee means what? Double. What method I need to call? Scn dot next double. Okay, then next enter email. Email, tell me, in email do you have spaces? Will you have spaces? No, then use next method. When there is no space in the entering text, better use next method, so that no need to call next line method 2 times. Okay, and then next enter mobile. How to read mobile number? scn dot next next long. scn dot next long. Okay, and then enter gender. Then gender is a one character, right? One character I can read as a text. scn dot next dot character of 0. And then next enter completed or not. Then how to read now? scn dot next boolean. Okay, so these are the way you need to read values. So the most important thing is, after next methods, if you need to call next line method, you must call next methods 2 times. Okay, and displaying is same, no difference. Okay, now. So this is the program for scanner way of reading. Only the method calls are changing, remaining story is same. Okay, fine. Now let me open the code. Scanner object, import statement, scanner object, student object, and next line, double, next long, next boolean. Right. Save it. Control 1 compile. Major version 15 is lower than 58. Okay. Control 1 compile. Control 1 compile. Control 2 execute. Look at the student instance is created for storing given student values. Enter student values. Enter student number 101. Student name HK. CJ. Fee 2500. Email Java Harikrishna @gmail.com. Mobile number 9010454584. Gender male. Completed. No, false. Okay, all wells are stored in the student instance and reading and displaying the values. That's all. Hope you got clarity how to read values in a scanner object point of view. Any doubts? If you have any questions, please ask. Otherwise, I'll go to next topic. Scanner wise completed. Command line arguments application wise completed. Second, system.in.read completed. Data input stream completed. Buffer reader completed. Scanner completed. 5 ways of reading completed. Based on your project requirement, you can choose any of these 5 ways. Is it clear? Next. Now I'm trying to go for next approach. Okay. Okay. Before going to next approach, I want you to understand one small point. Tell me, you take any project. Every project is having login page. Na? After login only, you are allowed to access the project. Without logging, you cannot access the project, right? So then tell me, now we need to understand how to read username and password from the keyboard. Okay. Which approach I'm using? Java latest version. Java.util.scanner I'm using. Okay, right. Anjali, you have to decide which one is best. Is a command line argument application is best? Good question you asked. Is a command line arguments application is best or not best? Already told you, no? Command line arguments application is best. Command line arguments application is best only for programmer, not for the end user, right? For testing purpose, it is best. So out of discussion. System.in.read is better. It read only one character. System.in.read only one character. So that is a out of discussion. Data input stream is better. No, read line method is deprecated. We are not allowed to use. So that is also gone. Then in place of data input stream, buffer reader came. Now buffer reader wise reading data from keyboard and converting to parseInt. Using parseInt, you need to convert. Then next, second option, scanner. So buffer reader best, scanner best. Which one is fast in execution? Buffer reader read data and giving to scanner. Giving to wrapper classes for conversion. Whatever the logic is running behind for the input stream reader, integer.parseInt, same logic is running in next line method. NextInt method. Integer.parseInt of br.readline, whatever the logic is running, same logic is running for scanner.nextInt also. Okay, but compared to scanner, buffer integer.parseInt of br.readline is executes little faster. Okay, it's execute little faster. Now the comparison is between buffer reader and scanner. Remaining three approaches are not useful. Now these last two approaches only useful for the project. Buffer reader and scanner. Coding wise, scanner is easy. Okay, coding wise, scanner is easy, but performance wise, buffer reader is little bit fast compared to scanner. Not that much super fast, little bit fast compared to scanner. So if you want to develop CUI based applications, for the meaning of CUI, command user interface based applications, people are choosing scanner, not buffer reader, because buffer reader wise you must handle exception and then you have to parse it. A lot of things are there. But whereas scanner, you no need to write a lot big statements. So people are choosing scanner. But if you are writing competitive exams where time calculation is more important, they try to use buffer reader. Don't use scanner. Regular projects, scanner only using by the core Java advanced Java faculties. I hope I answered your question. Now I'm trying to write the class name as login. Login validator, main method. Inside main method, I need to create scanner object, scanner SCN equal to new scanner of. If your fingers are habituated with the keyboard and shifted to another keyboard, it's very tough to type here. Okay, please try to adjust a scanner SCN equal new scanner of system.in connected to keyboard. Then I should ask the person to enter username. Enter username colon. Then string user name equal to scn dot next, because username doesn't contain any spaces. System dot out dot println print only, sorry, enter password, string password equal to scn dot next. Okay, then I should say some message, system dot out dot println. Just I am writing one dummy message saying that hello, welcome. Some message I have written. Okay, save it with the name login validator. Okay, tell me now. Okay, let me save it. Now I'm compiling this program Java C login validator.java compile, Java login validator executed. It is asking me to enter username. I'm giving my username HK. Enter password. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. If you close your eyes, I will type. Closed. Good question. What is the difference between print and println? I need to join in Erragadda now immediately. You know Erragadda? Hyderabad people know Erragadda now? Apurva, what you are studying? Completed or studying or still studying? Are you this batch student only? Yesterday also you asked this question, I ignored. Right? Yesterday also you worked. I mean, you asked the same question. Ma, it's not the right time to ask, right? When you want to ask some question, at end of the class you should ask, not in the middle. If you ask in the middle, how can I deviate from there and explain, right? Print method will print data in the same line. Cursor is blinking there in the same line. After displaying this message, cursor is blinking in the same line. Look at that, blinking in the same line. If I use print ln, if I use print ln, then it display the message and move the cursor to the next line. Look at the cursor is waiting in the next line. That is the difference between print and print line. You want the next message display in the same line or next line. If you want in the next line, use a print line. If you want to display in the same line, use print. Understand, Apurva? People will ask only questions, will not respond later. I don't know why. HK and then password. Tell me. Chat. Close. HK and enter password. What is the password? Close your eyes. Close your eyes, I should enter password. Why I'm asking this, did you understand? Why I'm asking close your eyes, why I'm asking close your eyes? Password characters are visible to you. Okay, password characters are visible to you. So if password characters are visible to you, it is a bad idea. Na? Everyone can log into my system, right? Now look at here. What is the current problem? Problem with all above three approaches. Three means five approaches. Either use command line arguments or system.in.read, data input stream.readline, buffer reader.readline, or scanner.next method. Any of the five approaches you use when you're reading data from console, the data is visible to us. In all about three approaches, we cannot hide confidential values while typing confidential values like password, pin number, those values are visible to others. What the solution? In Java 6 version, we got a new class called console. Okay. In place of scanner, I must go for java.io package. Class name is console. Java.io.console. In place of scanner, I should create console object CNS equal to. Can I create new console object like this? Like buffer reader, like scanner. Can I create console object like this? Compiler will throw error. You cannot create console object like that. Okay. You cannot create console object like this. I will write these statements once again later. Console CNS equal to new console of. If you try to create object using new keyword, compiler throw error because in console class, constructor is declared as private. Why console class constructor is declared as a private? Why you cannot access? I will tell you later. First, let me write. Then how can I get console class object? To get console class object in a system class, we have a special method called what? Console. Now tell me, what is console? Console is nothing but command prompt here. Console is nothing but command prompt. This is the command prompt window. And now tell me, this command prompt window is belongs to system na, computer na. Input stream, output stream, console, all these are belongs to what? Keyboard, monitor, console, everything belongs to monitor, a system. So you cannot create object for system things. I want to display data on console. You are not creating object. You are writing what? You are writing what? System dot out. Are you catching my point? You are writing what? System dot out. Okay, you are writing system dot out. So system dot out means what? It is pointing to output stream, which is pointing to console. So system dot in, it is pointing to keyboard. So operating system related anything you wanted to access, you must not create object. You must ask system class. In a system class, they are given one predefined method called console method. Then you call this method, this console method will create and return console object to our program. Then it is available in CNS. So repeating again, buffer reader object you create by using new keyword. Scanner object you create by using new keyword, but console object you cannot create by using new keyword. Console object you create by using console method. Remember it. Okay, I will explain you one more time later. Okay, at this minute accept it. What is the difference between new console and system.console? I'll explain you. First, let me concentrate on the code. After console object created, okay, let me compile it. Compiled or not? Yes. And in our program, console object is available? Yes. From the console, what I want to read? Username. Then display message system.out.print double quotes. Enter username. Okay, enter username. Then now string username equal to scn dot sorry cns dot the method name is readline. Okay, na in a console class we have a method called readline. By using readline method we can read username. And then next system dot out dot print off. Next I want read password. Double quote, enter password. String password equal to cns dot. Anyone tell me? I want to read password na. If I use a method name readline, I can read a text which is visible to others. But you want to visualize the text na, invisible text. Invisible. I want to hide characters. For that, there is a special method called read password. Okay, but read password method doesn't read password characters like string. It written as a carry. Okay, very important point. Read password method doesn't read characters in string format. It read in a char array format. Why it will not read string format, I'll tell you later. At this minute, please accept. So tell me, I want to read confidential values from the keyboard like username and pin number. Okay, then if you want to develop like a login application or registration form or sign in form. Okay, registration form, sign up form or sign in form. If you want to develop, don't use scanner or buffer reader. Use what? Console class you must use. And now in how can I obtain console object? System.console. How can I read username? Read line. How can I read password? Read password. Read password method doesn't return password as a string. It written as a char array. Then further, I wanted just to display the username and password on console. System.out.println off. Okay. Now what do you write now? Username and password. Okay, username and password I'm displaying on console. Now control 1 compile. Control 2 executed. Enter username. Username I'm giving Hari. Enter password. Hello. Did I enter password? Did I enter password? Did I enter password? I entered a password. Already done. Hey, I cannot see. Yeah, that's what read password specialty. You cannot see. No, at least stars I should see. At least dots I should see. At least cursor moving to the next column I should see. No, you cannot see anything. Everything done internally. Cursor is blinking there only, but I enter my password. My password is Balaya. Hari is the username. Balaya is the password. Did you all understand? What the read password method specialty? While you are entering characters, even cursor also not moving to next positions. It simplicity ask you to enter a password, taking that password and storing in the program. Okay. So tell me, when you want to develop login or sign in application, login or sign in and sign up applications, if you want to develop, you must use what? Console class. From which version onward this facility is given? Only from Java 6 version onwards. Up to Java 5 version, we don't have this facility. Okay. Then now look at all these points. Working with console class. Console is the new class given in Java 6 version. By using console, we can read both normal values and confidential values by hiding their characters. The class console has a different two methods. Number one, public string readline method. It is used for reading normal values. Public char array read password. It is used for reading confidential values. Note, read password will hide the characters while we are typing on console. It will not show you even stars or even it will not show. It will not move cursor to the next position while typing characters. While typing password characters, cursor will be just blinking on the same position on console. Like a buffer reader and scanner objects, we cannot create console class object by using new keyword and constructor because console class contains private constructor. The reason behind declaring constructor as a private, especially in the console class, is to stop creating new console object by ourselves and forcing us to obtain existing console object in which our program is loaded and executing. I'm now trying to understand now. Here I'm trying to run this program, control 2. Okay, tell me, is it a console or not? It is a console, right? It is console, right? Yeah, it is console. Now, your program should obtain access to this console, right? You want to read username and password from this existing console. That means you must obtain the console in which our program is loaded and executed. If you write here new console, what the meaning of it? You are trying to create another new console object. Username and password I'm entering in old console, but you are pointing to what? New console. Finally, there is a conflict between entering value and reading value. Na? You are entering here and you're trying to read from here. So there is a conflict. That's why you are not allowed to create. You are not allowed to create console object by your own. You must obtain the existing console object in which our program is loaded and executed. Everybody got clarity? Yeah? Everyone understand? So finally, what the important point? You cannot create a console object. You must obtain console object in which our program is loaded and executed. Look at that. The reason behind declaring constructor as a private, especially in console class, is to stop creating a new console object by ourselves and for forcing us to obtain existing console object in which our program is loaded and executing. Note, here console means command prompt in which we are running our Java class. To obtain the console object in class system, we have given a static factory method. Factory method means a method that returns the object is called factory method. Special name, just a special name, nothing more. It's also a method, just a method. A method that return object is called factory. You know, the place where goods are manufacturing, we call that place as a factory, na? Go to factory and buy something, people say, na? Right. Now, this is the statement, public static console. Then how can we create object? We must call above method to obtain console object as console cns equal to system.console. Okay. And finally, when you run Java login validator, JVM is created. CNS variable is pointing to the same console object in which our program is loaded. If I write new console, it is pointing to new console. That is wrong idea. When I run Java login validator, JVM is prepared, class is loaded, login value class loaded, main method execution has started. CNS variable is pointing to the console object. Okay, the console object that is created in the system. Okay, console CNS new console is wrong. System.console is right. Everybody got clarity? Yeah? So this is the point about console class. Yeah, if you have any questions, please ask. Nabuji, everybody got clarity? Console. All these points are there in your material. That's why I'm not dictating notes or not giving program to write. Okay. Every point there in your material. Okay, there is a small problem. Try to understand. Can I run programs from Edit Plus? Can I run program from Edit Plus? Yes. In Edit Plus is having its own console. Look at, there is a checkbox called capture output. Open Edit Plus, configure user tools, and here select JVM. By default compiler selected, select JVM. Here in an option called capture output. Click on output, apply, okay. When you compile, program compile in the command prompt window. But when you try to run, it is running in Windows, Edit Plus console. Edit Plus console. Look at that. This is Edit Plus console. If your class contain console object, this console object belongs to whom now? System. Okay. Console method is trying to return the console of whose console? System console means command prompt, not Edit Plus console. Look at that. If you try to use system.console, it background returns a null, but it doesn't return any console object. Then null.readline, if you call, you will get null pointer exception. exception in thread main java.lang. Null pointer exception line number 9. Okay, line number 9, line number 9. At line number 9, you are getting this is the exception. So what is the rule while working with console object? You must run that program only in command prompt, but not in either edit plus console or in Eclipse console. Okay, now observe, no compile time error, no compile time error, no runtime error. Look at that program running successfully. HK Naresh IT. Everyone understand? Yeah, look at here. That point rule. The rule in working with the console class. The class that internally using console for reading inputs from end user must be executed only in command prompt window, either directly in command window or indirectly from edit plus option control 2. If we execute this class outside command prompt window, system.console return null, and further we will get exception null pointer exception, then program execution terminated. System.console method cannot return console object if you run the class outside of command prompt window, either from edit plus console or from Eclipse console, because system class is not associated with those consoles. It is associated with only system console, that is command prompt window. Okay, so this is the basic idea about console class. Small topic, bougie topic completed. So if you have any questions, please ask. And verify in material all these points there are not. Verify material, all these points are there or not. Open material and check all these points there are not. Up to console, every point must be there. Check once, please. Okay, right? Now I wanted to ask you one small question. Please try to understand. I am creating a project. Inside project, I have a number of classes. Class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. Like this, I have a number of classes. In all these classes, I wanted to store, I want to store some value common to all these classes. Okay. Common to all these classes, I want to store some values. Where can I store? Class A, class A, class B, class C, class D. 4 classes are there. This is our project and this is our JVM. Okay. I want to store values common to all these classes. Where can I store? Should I store in class A, class B, class C, class D? No. If I store in class A, as long as this class available, that values are available. After that, they destroyed. Okay. If I store in B, as long as B variable, it will be available, they're destroyed. If I store in C, as long as C class available, that is available, destroyed. Let's say I'm taking one class called E, then again the problem, as long as E class available, that values are available, otherwise they're destroyed. So it's a wrong idea. If you want to store values common to all classes in the project, you must store those values inside JVM. Inside JVM, we have a class called system. Na? Okay. Inside JVM, we have a class called system. Inside this class system, I can store values and I can read values. It is maintaining one table. This table is technically called properties. What we call this table as? Properties table. What is a property? Properties is a plural. What is a property? A property is nothing but name and value. I want to store my value 101. I want to store my value HK. What is 101? Student number. What is HK? Student name. So this student number, student name is called property name, and 101 HK is called what? Value. Again repeating. In a project, if you want to store some values common to all classes, then those values I must store in the properties object that is available inside system class. So a property is nothing but key and value pair. Then after storing in properties object, I can read either from A class, or from B class, or from C class, or from D class. Then how long these values are available? These values are available until the JVM is available. The values are available until JVM is available. Okay. Okay, now? And tell me, because these properties are available inside system, these are called system properties. What do we call them as? We call them as system properties. Then my question is, sir, how can I store system properties? How can I store them? There are two ways are there to store properties. Number one, by using Java command while running the Java class, or inside Java program logic by using system class predefined methods. System dot, there is a method called set property. Okay, how many ways we can set? Two ways. First, let me show you the first way. First way is what? Java command. Java, listen. If I write like this, what happened? Tell me. Addition 10 space 20. I am telling to JVM software. JVM software. These two are the command line arguments to the addition class. Please store them in the array object. Pass it as argument to addition class main method. But now I want to tell to JVM, please store value. Please store value. Please store value inside where system property. I must tell to Java command. For that, I must use special syntax -d. Okay, like hyphen verbose, hyphen version, -d. There is an option called what? Hyphen capital D. Hyphen capital D will tell property we are going to mention here. What the property name? SNO equal to property value 101. Property value 101. Next, hyphen D, student name equal to HK. Everyone understand? Then when you run this program, can you please tell me? JVM software will collect this first property after hyphen D, store inside system properties object. Will collect second property sname HK and store it as a second property. Okay, na? And these two values you mentioned. Hello, everybody get my point? Tell me, these 10 and 20 values are available for entire project? No, available only for addition class. These SNO, SNAME values are available only for addition class? No, all classes available in the project. Then how can you read those values in all these classes? For that, you must write set property for storing system dot get property for reading. Get property. Which property you want? 101. That property matched with what name? SNO. Then what I write? Double quotes SNO. Okay. Then next you should write system dot get property of. System dot get property of. What do you write now here? What do you write now here? Double quotes. Yes name. Double quotes. Okay, now. Now try to answer now. It's a simple statement I need to write. Where I need to write these two statements? In class A, in class B, in class C, in class D. Wherever you need to read values, in those places I need to write these two statements. Sir, I want to read only one value. Okay, only system dot get property of that property name you write. If you want all, write like this. If you want only one, write that property name. But now my question, this 101 will return to our program as a 101 integer or 101 string. It written as a 101 string. Then you have to convert it to int. How? Integer dot parse int of system dot get property of double quotes SNO. Everyone understand? So system dot get property reads 101 as a double quotes 101 substituted here. That is given to parsing method, converted and stored in our local variable. You have to assign here int SNO equal to, and system dot get property by default string I want as a string only, so I'm writing string sname equal to. So finally, how to pass values as a system properties into JVM to store, and further how to read. Did you understand? And now try to understand first again. All 6 approaches, previous all 6 approaches, reading values from the keyboard is a specific to one class. This last option is a specific to one class or common to all classes? Common to all classes. Okay, if you want to store some values common to all classes of a project, then we should choose system properties. Otherwise we must go for remaining 6 approaches. Hope everyone understand. Shall I write a program? This program not there in material, please write down. No, yeah, you can delete. There is a method called remove property also there. System dot remove property. If there, you can delete. Okay, right? Working with the system properties, class main method, int snvo equal, or you can say int a equal to integer dot parse int of system dot get property of double quotes snvo. Int b equal to integer dot parse int of system dot get property of fnvo. First number fnvo snvo, second number int c equal to a plus b. System dot out dot println of double quotes result plus c. Can you run this program from edit plus? Can you run this program from edit plus? Not possible because you need to use -d option now. Compilation and execution. Java C dot Java. How to run this program? -d first number equal to 10. Again -d second number equal to 20. You have to give space. Result is 30. Java.util.scanner, not io.scanner. Yeah, I will teach you in class, okay? Parvez, edit plus I'll teach you in class. The video was missing. I'll teach you in class. Open command prompt. Compile. Execute. Result 30. If you want to work with new values, you have to change the values here, right? In place of 10, you write 20. In place of 20, you write 30. You will get result 50. Okay. So that's all for reading runtime values chapter. Hope you all enjoyed this chapter. You learn how to read values from keyboard in different ways. Okay, you have AWT swing and Java FX. So those topics we'll understand in coming classes. So there is a last chapter you cannot understand now. Okay, yeah. Variables chapter not available in Xerox material. It will available in volume 1 year textbook. Here onwards, Xerox material not required. Xerox material jamana over. Okay, variables, methods, JVM architecture, static, non-static members. We will follow volume 1 year textbook. So I'm reminding you all, tomorrow no class. Okay, next class is on Thursday at 9:30 a.m. as usual. Saturday, Sunday also you don't have class. Means Thursday, Friday I will take class. Saturday, Sunday no class. I'm taking a workshop for your seniors, and for your juniors I'm starting new batch on Thursday at 11 a.m. It's a both offline and online class. Okay, people can come to the class and sit in the classroom and you can listen, or also can attend the same batch same time at 11 a.m. from the hometown also. I'm conducting both. By Sunday, I'm expecting all the people complete variable chapter videos and also method chapter videos. Is it clear? So Monday, I'm going to start JVM architecture. Okay. Thursday, Friday, I'm going to teach you the next chapter, that is methods chapter. In methods, I will teach you some videos, some topics, and you should learn some topics. Is it clear? So I'll do one thing. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. What you do? Okay, you complete variable chapter. Okay, no problem. So method chapter I will teach you in the class. Don't worry, I'm leaving it. Variable chapter you complete. Complete variable chapter videos. That's enough. So today, tomorrow, complete variable chapter videos. Method chapter I'll teach you in class. So that's all for today class. Thank you. See you all tomorrow. Thursday. Bye.